محمد وآل محمد محمد وآل محمد صلوات اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. My respected elders, my brothers, sisters and children of MKSI Leicester, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we've come together to celebrate Eid al-Adha, which marks the end of the Hajj. Eid is a time for prayer, reflection and celebration. We come together to attend the morning prayer. It reminds us of the values of compassion and empathy that brings us all together. Today and every day, let us show extra kindness to those around us. On behalf of myself and the management committee, I wish you all a very happy Eid al-Adha, Eid Mubarak. Generally, during this period, people of the Jamaat and millions around the world would be in the holy city of Makkah. But unfortunately, due to the recent pandemic, the cap on the number of pilgrims and the new approach the Saudi government have taken, this year is not the case, and therefore a point for us to reflect upon and ponder. I mentioned last year about the Safa Marwa ritual that Bibi Hajara alayha salam partook in the desert, where the likelihood of finding water was next to zero, is evidence that there is always hope for our hajats to be accepted in front of the Almighty, the Merciful. Lastly, hardly any went to Hajj. This year 1 million, and inshallah even more in the future as we gradually move back to normality, a new norm. Let's pray together to the Almighty that He opens the gates of Hajj for every Muslim in the nearest future. Ameen. And congratulations to all those that have performed Hajj this year. And on a local note, I want to extend my gratitude towards the management committee, the ladies subcommittee, all the volunteers, and especially Murtaza uncle for facilitating the day of Arafat Amal, for the members of the community, and a massive appreciation to Little Angels and its volunteers for organizing the Hajj event. It's been over a year since the start of the new management committee, and I wanted to reach out to every single team member for their efforts over the period. Although it's been a successful year, we are continuously learning, and there is lots more to do, and inshallah we will continue to work towards our objectives and our goals. The trustees have been with us hand in hand from day zero, and I thank them for their guidance, sound advice, and support. Thank you to our resident alim for all his efforts, especially as he joined during the pandemic, and I've recently seen him grow in his role and become part of our community. Thank you to the new Behlul Society, the new PACE team, ladies subcommittee team, Little Angels and the senior citizens for their efforts and continuous support. The day of Arafah is a time to dig deep and reflect upon in terms of where we are heading in life and what our objectives are. On the flip side, there is hope, forgiveness and guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a fresh start and a time for a reboot. By the way, Maulana and I have not discussed this before I said that. The biggest thanks goes to the entire community for your support. What I really like about this community is that although we have our different views, and we do, opinions, approaches, but ultimately, even with our differences, we respect each other, stick together and support each other. Let's pray together to the most powerful that He continues to progress this community and protects us from all threats and keeps us strong and united. Ameen. The management committee have on Eid al-Gadir booked Ammar Nashid and Abbas Lalji. And amongst many programs, on Saturday, 23rd of July, we have organized a combined Eid family picnic at Wicksteed Park. It is open for everybody, the young, adults and seniors. It's going to be something different, and a fun social event. We look forward to seeing you all there, inshallah. For further details, please contact Sister Farah, and details have been sent on our WhatsApp service. To conclude, celebrate the day of Eid with family and friends. However, as most of us celebrate, there are others who have recently lost close ones. We suddenly lost a great lady on Tuesday, someone that was well liked in the community, Kulsum Bai, aka Nanima. In addition, the loss of Bashir uncle is still in our minds and will be remembered for a long time. Finally, Marhum Ali Husayn Somani. Allah in His mighty and His strength give the family Sabr Jameel and all of our marhumeens a place in Jannah next to the Ahlul Bayt. Please recite a Surah Fatiha for all of our marhumeens and all the sick. But before we do that, a salawat from the bottom of your heart and soul. Salawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Al-Fatiha. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.